My name is Edwin Taylor. I'm the Commissioner of Labor in the Employment and Services Department in the Department of Ministry of Border Control and Employment. This business continuity plan training hosted by DDME was very good for me. Gave me a plan to walk away with in order to keep our department functioning in any disaster. I think it was needed, timely, and will serve our department well. As we all know, everyone needs a business continuity plan. And with this training from DDME, I can safely say that our department will benefit from having one finally, and I'm sure all the other participants will leave with more knowledge on how to put one together and how to keep their departments functioning in the event of a disaster.